Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Amazon Web Services, full guide step by step clearly. To register with Amazon Web Services, start by visiting the AWS homepage at aws.amazon.com. On the top right corner, click on the Create an AWS Account button. You will be directed to a new page where you need to enter your email address. Type a secure password that meets the specified requirements. Choose an account name for easy identification of your AWS account. Next, click on the Continue button. On the following screen, provide your contact information. Select whether you are registering as an individual or a company. Fill in your first name, last name, phone number, and address. Make sure to provide accurate information before proceeding. Review your information for accuracy and click on the Continue button. You will now be prompted to verify your identity. This may involve receiving a phone call or a text message with a verification code. Enter the verification code in the designated field. After verification, click on the Continue button to move forward. You will then proceed to set up your payment method. Enter your credit card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Amazon may require a small verification charge to confirm your card. Click Continue after entering your payment details. Next, you'll be asked to select a support plan. Choose from basic, developer, or business support plans based on your needs. Once you've made your selection, click Continue. Your registration process will finalize shortly. You will receive an email confirming your AWS account setup. Follow any steps in the email to complete additional verification if necessary. Finally, log into your AWS Management Console using your registered email and password. Congratulations, you are now registered with Amazon Web Services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.